Hi friends, welcome to your own channel. Word is Word. In this video, we are going to discuss two things. One, how to find our Ikigai. Two, how our Ikigai works for us. If you don't watch this video till the end, you will miss so many things. Watch this video till the end. Aim is to get inspired by inspiring others. Ikigai is essentially about finding purpose of our life. Everyone has his or her own Ikigai. But one thing we have common is that we are all searching for the meaning. More than 99% of us on this planet come and go ironically without realizing why we were born. Every morning, whenever we get up, we should ask these 4 questions to ourselves as intensely as possible. What am I born for? What's the purpose of my life? Whether I am doing justice to myself and people around. Whether I am really happy. And if answer to this question is no or I don't know, then it's a time for you to find your own Ikigai. As discussed in a previous video, finding our Ikigai needs a deep self-exploration. We should answer these 4 questions honestly to ourselves. What you love, what you are good at, what's the world around you need, what you can be benefited or paid for. For example, just to find my Ikigai, I'll show you one picture. The things I love interacting with people, visiting new places. I love eating delicious food. I love driving, meeting my friends. Things I'm good at are getting adjusted with the strangers in no time, reaching on a promised time. I'm good at cooking. I'm good at treating my patients well medically and emotionally, keeping my promise. Third point, what's the world around you needs? World around you need attention and care with emotional touch. Your availability. World around you need comfort and convenience. Assurance for everything. World needs promptness of your action. And the fourth one, what you can be benefited or paid for. I am getting paid for treating my patients, visiting the disabled old patients, both physically and financially, at the comfort of their home. So, my Ikigai at present is treating my patients and visiting disabled patients at the home. Okay? So my Ikigai at present is treating my patients and visiting disabled patients who can't visit hospital or clinic. And I am doing this since long, before I was aware about Ikigai. Once you discover your Ikigai, pursuing it and nurturing it every day will bring meaning to your life. The moment our life has a purpose, you will achieve a happy state of workflow in all you do. Our intuitions and curiosity are very powerful compasses to help us connect with our Ikigai. So, follow those things you enjoy. Get away from those you dislike. Let your curiosity lead you. Keep yourself busy doing things that fill you with meaning and happiness. There is no perfect strategy to connect with our Ikigai, and we should not worry too much about finding it immediately. It will take time. Life is not a problem to be solved. Listen carefully. Life is not a problem to be solved. Just remember to have something that keep you busy doing what you love while you being surrounded by people who love you. Life is a wabi-sabi. Wabi-sabi meaning imperfectly imperfect. Learn to appreciate the beauty of imperfection as an opportunity for growth and improvement. Ikigai will also protect us from stress and illness. According to American Psychosomatic Society, pursuing a high sense of purpose in a life is associated with reduced risk of mortality, reduced cardiovascular accidents. Don't forget, most successful people on this planet have failed more than ordinary ones. We all are here for some special purpose. Purpose is the mother of a meaningful life. And last but not the least, the purpose of life is life of purpose. Let me repeat it. The purpose of life is life of purpose. That's all for the day. Please like, comment, subscribe and forward to your family and friends. Your positive and constructive feedback inspires us. This is Dhananjay Patil signing out till we meet again in the next video. Bye. Take care. God bless us. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Bye.